The world's largest and most powerful space telescope has revealed unprecedented views of Jupiter.
James Webb Space Telescope has hardly opened its eyes.
In the vast expanse between the red planet and the gas giants, a chaotic field of ancient rocks drifts in silent orbit, relics of a time when our star system was born. Long thought to be a predictable graveyard of debris, this region was considered well-mapped, its paths traced by telescopes and probes. But now, a cutting-edge observatory, perched a million miles from our world, has captured something that defies all expectations, a shimmering, uncatalogued object, pulsing with eerie light, moving with a precision that feels almost alive. Its strange behavior, caught in the lens of humanity's most advanced eye, suggests it's neither rock nor comet, but something else entirely. Could this be a visitor from beyond, or a phenomenon we've never dared to imagine? The cosmos just got a lot stranger, and we're only beginning to unravel its secrets. Before we dive into this mind-bending discovery, smash that like and subscribe for more jaw-dropping updates from the stars. The observatory, a marvel of modern engineering, was designed to peer into the universe's deepest corners, capturing light from ancient galaxies and nearby worlds alike. Stationed far from Earth's glare, it scanned the rocky belt between planets as part of a routine study of our star system's origins. Its sensitive instruments, tuned to detect the faintest whispers of infrared light, were combing through the debris when they locked onto something extraordinary. A faint, glowing object, uncatalogued, unknown, streaked across its field of view, moving too fast, too deliberately, to be a typical fragment of cosmic rubble. Its surface shimmered with a metallic sheen, reflecting starlight in ways that didn't match any known asteroid or comet. What set this object apart was its motion. Unlike the erratic tumbling of asteroids or the gas-trailing paths of comets, it moved with a smooth, curved trajectory, as if guided by an unseen hand. It accelerated briefly, then slowed, weaving through the dense clusters of the rocky belt with a precision that seemed to defy the chaos of space. Ground-based telescopes, hastily redirected, struggled to match the clarity of the observatory's data, but they confirmed the anomaly. This was no ordinary body. Its path was too controlled, its behavior too purposeful, to be dismissed as mere debris caught in a gravitational dance. The observatory's instruments revealed even stranger details. The object wasn't just reflecting light, it was emitting it, pulsing with a deep, rhythmic glow that flickered in infrared and microwave bands. These weren't the random emissions of a heated rock or icy comet. They carried structure, a pattern of harmonics layered like notes in a cosmic melody. The pulses weren't consistent with natural phenomena. No pulsar, no stellar flare, no known process could produce such deliberate signals. Spectroscopic readings added to the mystery, detecting compounds that baffled scientists. Layer materials, some resembling synthetic structures, others defying the chemistry of natural celestial bodies. This wasn't just a rock, it was complex, perhaps engineered. The object's behavior grew more unsettling as it approached a massive body in the belt, one of the region's largest remnants. There, it did something no natural object should. It paused, hovering in space, rotating steadily as if scanning its surroundings. This wasn't the chaotic spin of a tumbling asteroid. It was balanced, deliberate, like a sentinel taking stock of its environment. For several minutes, it lingered, its pulses intensifying, before resuming its journey, veering toward the inner edge of the belt. The observatory, pushed to its limits, tracked it as it curved upward, climbing out of the plane where planets orbit, a path that demanded energy no simple rock could muster. The scientific community was stunned. The rocky belt, long considered a stable, predictable region, had just hosted an intruder that broke every rule. Its speed, far faster than typical asteroids, suggested an internal force, not just gravitational pull. Its emissions, structured and rhythmic, hinted at something beyond natural processes, perhaps a signal, perhaps a byproduct of an unknown mechanism. The materials detected, unlike the silicates or metals of known debris, raised questions about its origins. Could it be a relic of an ancient collision, composed of exotic compounds? Or was it something more, a craft, a probe, designed to move with intent? The discovery challenged our tools and assumptions. The observatory, built for distant galaxies, wasn't meant to track fast-moving objects, yet engineers recalibrated its systems in real time, capturing every fleeting detail. The data poured in, infrared signatures showing high internal temperatures, inconsistent with frozen comets, microwave pulses with nested frequencies, as if carrying information, and that metallic sheen, suggesting a surface not forged by cosmic impacts, but by design. Ground-based observatories, limited by Earth's atmosphere, could only confirm the object's presence, not its strangeness. This was a moment only the most advanced technology could capture, and even then, it left more questions than answers. Speculation erupted. Some scientists proposed it could be an undiscovered type of comet, its reflective surface and emissions caused by rare, volatile compounds. Others pointed to the possibility of ancient space debris, perhaps from a long-lost human probe, though no record matched its profile. But the most daring hypothesis whispered in hushed tones. What if this was artificial, a visitor from beyond our star system? Its controlled motion, its structured signals, its pause near a massive body, all hinted at a purpose, a mind behind the movement. Could it be observing us, mapping our cosmic backyard, or simply passing through on a journey we can't comprehend? The implications were immediate and profound. If this object was natural, it revealed gaps in our understanding of the rocky belt, suggesting phenomena we've never encountered. If it was artificial, it suggested we're not alone, not just in the universe, but in our own stellar neighborhood. The observatory's glimpse, brief as it was, turned a routine scan into a cosmic wake-up call. What else have we missed, gliding silently through the spaces we thought we knew? Was this the first visitor, or merely the first we've seen? The cosmos, once familiar, now felt alive with possibilities and uncertainties. The shimmering object that streaked through the asteroid belt, captured by humanity's most advanced observatory, has left the scientific world reeling. Its deliberate path, pulsing with rhythmic signals, and a surface gleaming with unnatural materials defy every rule of the cosmos we thought we knew. This wasn't a random rock or fleeting comet. It moved with purpose, paused as if to observe, and vanished with a burst of light that hinted at propulsion beyond our grasp. Was this a fleeting glimpse of an alien probe, or a natural anomaly so strange it mimics intent? The questions it raises ripple far beyond the rocky belt, challenging our understanding of the universe and our place within it. Something just passed through our cosmic backyard, and it's forcing us to wonder, what else is out there, watching, waiting, moving in silence? The object's behavior is unlike anything in our celestial catalog. Its smooth, curved trajectory, weaving through the chaotic debris of the asteroid belt, suggested a control no natural body could achieve. It didn't tumble like an asteroid or trail gas like a comet. It glided, adjusting its speed and path with eerie precision. The pause near a massive rocky body, where it rotated steadily as if scanning, was particularly unsettling. Natural objects don't hover in space, their motions dictated by gravity or collisions. This felt deliberate, as if the object were assessing its surroundings, perhaps mapping the belt or searching for something specific. What could it have been looking for, and why in our star system? The signals it emitted deepened the mystery. The rhythmic pulses, detected in infrared and microwave bands, weren't random noise. They carried structure, layered harmonics that resembled a coded message or the hum of a machine. Unlike the chaotic emissions of stars or comets, these had a pattern, a cadence, like a heartbeat echoing across the void. Scientists analyzing the data found no match in natural phenomena. No pulsar, no thermal flare could produce such ordered frequencies. Some speculated it could be a byproduct of propulsion, a residue of energy guiding the object's path. Others dared to propose it was a signal, intentional and directed, perhaps meant for someone or something else. If it was a message, who was it meant to reach? The object's composition added fuel to the speculation. Spectroscopic readings revealed materials that don't belong in the rocky belt, layered structures, synthetic-like compounds, and a metallic sheen that reflected light in unnatural ways. These weren't the silicates or iron-nickel alloys of asteroids. They suggested complexity, perhaps design. The high internal temperatures, inconsistent with frozen debris, hinted at an energy source within, sustaining its glow and pulses. Imagine a machine, not forged by cosmic impacts but crafted with purpose, its surface a blend of technologies we can't yet name. Could it be a relic of an ancient civilization, or something newly arrived, exploring our corner of the galaxy? The scientific implications are staggering. The asteroid belt, long thought to be a stable, well-mapped region, has revealed a blind spot in our surveillance. If this object could slip through undetected until spotted by chance, what else have we missed? Its non-reflective surface and unconventional signals suggest our telescopes, tuned for sunlight-bouncing rocks, may be overlooking other visitors. The observatory's data, pushing its instruments to their limits, has forced a rethink of how we monitor our star system. New protocols are emerging, scanning for microwave emissions, recalibrating for fast-moving anomalies, and scouring archival data for overlooked glimmers that might hint at prior passages. The object's propulsion-like burst, a faint flash of directed energy with no thermal plume, challenges our understanding of physics. No human spacecraft could produce such a clean emission, free of chemical exhaust or dispersion clouds. If artificial, it suggests a technology that manipulates energy with precision we can't match. If natural, it points to a phenomenon so advanced it mimics intent, rewriting our models of celestial mechanics. Researchers in propulsion and materials science are dissecting the data, searching for clues to its energy source. Could it harness forces we haven't discovered, bending space in ways we can't yet dream? The answers, if they exist, lie in the fleeting data captured before the object vanished. Philosophically, this discovery reshapes our cosmic perspective. We've long seen our star system as a familiar stage, its planets and debris neatly charted. But this object suggests a universe far more active, perhaps populated by silent travelers we've never noticed. Its passage through the asteroid belt wasn't a loud invasion but a quiet glide, unnoticed until our sharpest eye caught it. Are we merely spectators in a cosmos teeming with purpose, our probes and telescopes catching only glimpses of a larger dance? The idea that something could observe us, move through our space, and leave without a trace shifts exploration into exposure. We're not just looking outward, we're being seen. The global response has been a mix of awe and urgency. Scientists across disciplines, astronomy, physics, signal theory, are uniting to decode the object's pulses, hoping to find meaning in their layered frequencies. Plans for new missions, from rapid response probes to enhanced telescopes, are gaining traction, driven by the need to track such anomalies before they slip away. Archival data from past missions is being re-examined, every transient spike now a potential clue. The object's silence, its clean path without debris, only heightens the stakes. If it was intentional, it was discreet, leaving no trace but the data we were lucky to catch. The cultural impact is profound. This wasn't a distant galaxy or an abstract theory. It was here, in our star system, a silver glint crossing our backyard. It challenges the arrogance of assuming we've mapped our cosmic neighborhood. The object's graceful path, its pulsing signals, its mysterious exit, all evoke a sense of wonder tinged with unease. If it was a probe, what was it seeking? Resources in the asteroid belt? Signs of life? Or was it simply passing through? Indifferent to our presence? The possibility that we're not alone, not even in our own stellar home, ignites imaginations and fuels debates, from labs to living rooms. As the object's trail fades, climbing beyond the plane of our planets, the questions it leaves behind grow louder. Was it the first of its kind, or merely the first we've seen? Are others out there, gliding through the shadows, their signals too subtle for our current tools? The observatory's fleeting glimpse has opened a door to a cosmos that feels less empty, more watchful. This wasn't just a discovery. It was a wake-up call, a reminder that the universe holds secrets that move faster, shine brighter, and think deeper than we ever imagined. If you're as gripped by this cosmic enigma as we are, Smash that like button and subscribe for more updates from the edge of the universe. Leave your comments below and tell us what you think this object could be. Alien probe, cosmic anomaly, or something beyond our wildest dreams. We want to hear from you. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the unknown, and we'll see you in the next stellar adventure.